Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Expect the best. Believe something good is going to happen, and it usually will. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 303, Nasdaq up 73, S&P's up 41, gold contract up $1.20, trading at 11.1730. Friday, King Dollar's up over 1,000 ticks, and they still can't hit gold. Gold wants higher price, folks. We're 11.17. That's making its way up to the 11.50, 11.92 area. Silver up 4 cents, $14.27. Silver needs some high volume, needs price spread. Silver's got to get over the 14.68 area. Platinum's up $5 at $8.70 an ounce. You have copper up a penny at $2.06 a pound. Light sweet crude up 44 cents, $33.65. Bonds. Bond market, folks, looks like it has not topped out. Pretty amazing. 10-year up 18 ticks, 129.19. Big move. 30-year up a full point and 1 tick, 161.04. King Dollar up 1,100 ticks, 99.61. The euro is down 105 ticks at 108, and the yen is up 2 1/4 pennies at 121.04. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so we continue to build the B2C of this ABC structure on the way down. You're up 367. You have lighter volume. Bottom line, we consolidated for 5 days. You take off today. The level that we're looking for is 199.83. Right now, you're at 192.75. NDX 100, we take a look at the Qs. Same setup in the Qs. Qs out here today. The Qs out here today are up 160. You're doing 37 million. Big contraction of volume. I suspect the Qs can get up to about the 109.38. What you also have happening simultaneously, we had 47 companies come out with numbers last night. Bottom line, Amazon got toasted, roasted, all of the above. Was down $95 last night. It's still off $48. Has volume on the move down. Amazon's going to go a lot lower. That being said, guess what? There is enough companies inside those 47 that put juice into the market. Microsoft being one of them. That's up 280 at 54.91. So, and on top of that, what you have is window dressing, folks. Last day of the month, which we have last trading day, first, second, third days of the following month, you're going to have some buying. You're particularly going to have buying when the market has got toasted and roasted like it has. And bottom line, I suspect you get the bounce on. You can still expect the volatility to continue inside the marketplace. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold held price today, which is phenomenal in the context of the dollar being up 1,100 ticks. And the move on the dollar and the move, down in last night in gold got to 1108, was that the Bank of Japan, the Central Bank of Japan, went negative rates. Negative rates specifically, we're talking about is that instead of the banking industry in Japan getting paid, it was a very small amount they were getting paid for the reserves overnight. Now they have to pay the central bank in order to have reserves. So excess reserves, that is. So what that's all about, of course, is that they want banks to push money out into the economy to kick up the economy. Oil, what do we have with the oil market? Oil's holding a bid also. The oil market out here came off the lows this week. You came off those lows and you had some good wide price spread. You had the volume. Today we've done 571,000 contracts. Excuse me, folks. Yesterday we did 833,000. You know, this bounce here can get oil up to like the 36.69 area. Right now we've hit 34.40. Yesterday you got up to a price point of 34.82. We go take a look at the bonds. What do we have with bonds? The bond market, folks, is just phenomenal. This is just a mind blower, actually, and it has held price coming into the close of the market out here today. The 10-year is up 18.6. The high in the 10-year is 129.18. We're at 129.20. So you're going to get a closing high. The volume is 1.5 million contracts, which is good contracts also. 30-year. What do we have with the 30-year? 30-year trading. 30 years trading at a price point of 161.06. We've done 296,000 contracts in the 30, and that's interesting. So it got to 161.27. Now the 30 year is showing that it hasn't been able to hold price, and the volume's going to be lighter. So we'll see where this 30-year closes into the close. But 161.18 is the number to keep your eye on. We're at 161.04. It already had gone to the 161.27. If you need a mortgage, you do a refinancing, go do it, folks. The 10-year, which mortgages come off, are at 1.925 right now. That'll bring a 30-year down to 3.4, 3.5, somewhere around there. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar gets to a price point today of 99.88. Has good volume, 52,000 contracts. But look at that, it can't handle it. It was actually going into, from the 21st, we did 68,000. And that failed. And what's happening is that King dollar is having a tough time getting through the downdraft that was created on December 3rd. December 3rd is when Draghi came out and said, okay, you know, we're still going to have quantitative easing in Europe. He wasn't expanding it. That's when King dollar went from 100.70, the index, down to 97. That had 125,000 contracts. So King dollar is going to need more juice in order to get up and over that whole level. Let's go to Keith in Iowa. Hey, Keith, what's going on?
Hey, Tom. How are you?
I'm doing great, man. You having a good day out there?
Having a great day, man.
Cool.
Having a great day. Hey, wanted to ask you, get your feeling and take on COL.
Okay, so we got Rockwell Collins. They design, produce electronic communications. You stay right there. We'll be coming back. We'll bisect and dissect that baby. Dow Industrials right now are up 310. Nasdaq's up 80. S&Ps are up 42. We're going to be right back, folks.